Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In the last video, we discussed about the steps of digestion. We discussed each of them, and in the upcoming videos, we're looking into particular organisms and looking into these steps, how those organisms are following these steps. So, uh, before getting into those, we need to do another topic, that is intracellular digestion and extracellular digestion. So, uh, digestion can be of two types. Number one can be intracellular. Intracellular digestion, and the second can be the extracellular digestion or intercellular. Or inter digestion. We looked into uh, the classification of viruses, right? So over here, first we did looked upon classification of viruses. Uh, on just we just sorry. So here it is. This is maybe the first basis of classification on which we are classifying the digestion. In the future video, we are looking into mechanical and chemical digestion and the sac-like and tube-like digestion. We have got three categories of differentiation: intracellular and extracellular. These two words tell the whole topic. Like intracellular, in cell digestion. Extracellular, intercellular, tells that out cell. When digestion takes place in the cell, it's intracellular. Out the cell, it's extracellular. Uh, if we talk about intracellular, uh, unicellular, it takes place in unicellular organisms. Right, it takes place in unicellular organisms because, as you know that, uh, why would an organism perform intercellular digestion until he is having complex system? Why would he take the digestion to the cell level? um, Unicellular organisms can do this because they are only having a single cell and they have no other option, and they will be doing this. uh, uh, you know, what happens is that the food gets diffused and just gets in, and then it travels in the form of vesicles, and there can be chemical digestion. Here the chemical based digestion. What does this mean? Enzymes are used, right? uh, so over here in this digestion, we have not got any mechanical digestion. We did look into the difference between both the previous videos as well. So there is chemical digestion, like, which is based on chemicals and enzymes and all that. And takes place within cell. Nothing, not a single step, uh, you know, takes place out of the cell except the defecation, the removal of the waste substances. Of course, that travels or that is taken out of the body, and uh, metabolic activities take place in cytoplasm. Now we have got a very limited system. We need to do all the things in limited system. We have got cytoplasm, and uh, over there we need to do everything. So we are doing that. In cytoplasm, all those activities will be performed. Like, okay, so moving forward, uh, this is kind of good to know about this all digestion. Nothing is taken out, and the digestion takes place within the cell, inside the food and vacuole, and in cytoplasm of unicellular organism is termed as intracellular digestion. Uh, Food breaks in form of food vacuole, like a food vacuole forms, and that is responsible for the whole thing happening. So in the next upcoming video we'll be looking into the extracellular digestion. uh, Let me insert some pictures to make you understand. Don't take tension, we are looking into organisms which do perform intracellular digestion. Within that, this thing will get work covered, and a part of it, the digestion step will also get covered. Don't panic. Intra digestion. I've searched it, and here it comes. Like, maybe I will be showing you this. Right. So here it is. Like, we have got very limited system over here. In intracellular digestion, we got very limited system. The food will be taking place over here, coming here, in form of food vacuole. It will be traveling. The reaction would be taking place in the cytoplasm. This part, the space around the nucleus. Here the all that taking place. Now food vacuole will be going to mitochondria, and enzymes are there. These you can consider enzymes, or we have got ribosome and all that, endoplasmic reticulum. The same process. Same process. While looking into it, this is just an idea. Like, this is a system, to which the digestion would be limited to, and based on chemicals. So I do hope that you learned something. Meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.